I'm sorry, but your husband won't be able to walk again. I'm sorry, but your husband won't be able to walk again.
Then he is no longer my husband. Then he is no longer my husband. I am sorry, but I can't spend the rest of my... I am sorry, but I can't spend the rest of my life as your caretaker. My life as your caretaker.
But darling, maybe it's not so bad. Maybe it's not so bad. Doctor, is there any chance to fix this? Is there any chance to fix this?
It's hard to say for sure. It's hard to say for sure. More tests needs to be done, but more tests needs to be done, but.
Hey, but darling, I promise, darling, I promise, I won't be a burden. I won't be a burden. Our life won't change. Our life won't change. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright.
Really? Okay. Then please stand up and hug me. Then please stand up and hug me. See? Please, I'm still young and beautiful. Please, I'm still young and beautiful. Don't I deserve someone else? Don't I deserve someone else?
The accident wasn't even my fault. The accident wasn't even my fault. Please, I love you.
If you really love me, if you really love me, then please, let me go.
I can't just let her go like this. I can't just let her go like this. Doctor, please, take the ring back to her. Take the ring back to her.
Ne?
Not a chance. Not a chance. That doll should be mine. That doll should be mine. Hey.
Doctor? Doctor? Please come in. Please come in.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, but what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I stopped by to check on you. I stopped by to check on you.
Do you visit all your patients' family members? Do you visit all your patients' family members?
Only those I'm particularly concerned about. Only those I'm particularly concerned about. I'm a doctor after all. I'm a doctor after all. I have a very caring heart. I have a very caring heart.
How is Matt doing?
No,
How is Matt doing?
no improvement. No improvement. I've conducted some additional tests. I've conducted some additional tests.